guys, in today's video we are learning about basic hash table implementation with Python DSA. So please like this video, share our friends and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. So I do not take a long time, so let's move to the computer screen and let's learn about basic hash table implementation. So let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. In today's video of Python DSA, we are learning about basic hash table implementation with Python DSA. So let's learn about that. We can now use the hashing function and define above implement basic hash table in Python. Question number 3 is we complete the hash table implementation below by following the instructions in the comments. Hint is insert and update can have identical implementations. Like this is one example I have shown here. Here you can see it. If the basic hash table class was defined correctly, the following shells will output true. Okay. Now let's save our work before continuing. Test your implementation of a basic hash table with some more examples below. So first of all, let's run this code. Okay. So we run this code from the Python. So first of all, we make our Python file. Like here we can write like y.py and desktop, and then when I save it and run it, and now here we can erase it. And now when I go here, when I erase it, and now here you can see this type of code has been written like that. Now here and some more codes are here you can see in this code, insert some values and find a value and update a value, check the updated value, get the list of keys. And here you can see if here one code has been written, and I have told you how to run it. First of all, we can run it. So for running it, we can and now here we can erase it. Here you can see it like that. Now here you can see this type of code I have wrote it like that. Here you can see it. Now here we can go down. So here you can see it. In today's we learn about basic hash table implementation with Python DSA. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now I meet you next class, and please access my Python DSA playlist and bookmark it. So now I meet you next class and next very amazing class for today. Goodbye.